to change your Netflix password. So let's get started. First, go to any web browser and search for the Netflix website and sign into your account. Once you are logged in, all you have to do is click on your profile icon in the top right corner of your screen and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, tap on the Accounts. Now, in the Account section, look for the Update Password option available there and tap on it. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your current password, then enter your new password and confirm it. Click Save or Change Password to update your password. Same goes with the Netflix mobile app. By following these steps, you can easily change your Netflix password and keep your account secure. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.